These parakeets are the smartest birds ever. Like, look at this dude. He escaped from our bird cage. And now he's just wreaking havoc over our house. Bird. I'm gonna have to jump. Wait. Look at him flying around the house. Did you get a glimpse of him at least? Oh my gosh, no. No. Bruh. Look at this guy. Oh, he flew. Here he comes, here he comes. He's trying to go into the bathroom. That's where the bird cage is. Uh-oh. He went to the back bedroom door. Guess he wants to go back in there? Lol. Oh, you're about to get caught. You got no scope. Oh. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Lol. Ya has tú estado en un video. Oh, we got him.
No, ningún video.
Nice job, mama.
We caught him.
And time to put you back in your bird cage. Boy. Get back in with your mom and dad. There we go. Come on. Let him out. Ooh, catch him. Oh. Ooh. Alright, there we go. We did it. And the reason he even got out was because the cage is like kind of uneven. Like, look at this. This one has a gap and everything. They squeezed through that and they escaped. Like, this is the only bird that's escaped. And he's escaped like 2 days in a row. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like the channel. And apart from that, I'll see you all later. And that bird is probably going to escape again tomorrow.